I gotta try and eat this thing. Hey y'all, welcome back to another taste testing. Today I am at Kickin Burgers and Wings in Niles. It's a Korean/American joint, and I found the Korean places have some of the best chicken in the area. Anyway, as you can see, this is a big ass burger. Excuse my language, but they don't scrimp on nothing. The fries are just, you know, your run-of-the-mill fries, but they don't scrimp. And they're well cooked. They're not half cooked, which I hate. So they griddled the bun, or grilled the bun. I watched the I assume it's a Korean guy at the counter, since it's a Korean place. But I didn't ask. But he's took the order and cooked, and I watched. He cooked the burgers on the flat top and then stuck them on the char broiler for a couple minutes to get that extra flavor. So let's see if it pays off. Let's see if I can even get my mouth around this thing, and it's trying to drip on me, and I don't want to run another shirt. So holy cow, that's a lot of food. That's a good sauce. The Kickin Sauce. Did I mention? I don't. I really wanted to try the wings, but I chickened out. I had chicken twice yesterday, so. Okay, good burger. Nice seasoning. Got that char flavor, bacon, whatever the sauce is good. It's a thumbs up. So far in this area, the Sandlot by far, I think, is one of the best, and somebody else had an amazing burger. Superdog's got a really good burger. Paradise Pup has an awesome burger. Maybe the best. This isn't quite to that level, but it's right up there, pretty close. And by the time I finish, I may change my mind and decide it's the very best. But we'll see. It's going to be a lot of work to get through that thing. So that's today's taste test. Thanks again for watching, and I won't be getting on the griddle anytime soon, because we're having Snowmageddon again this weekend, and I don't even have my griddle here yet from California. But anyway, thanks for watching. Stick around, and hopefully we'll keep you entertained. See you next time. Bye.